as it became clear that although almost all impact possibilities were not going to occur, it was still a very bad forecast for what was going to happen with such a near miss. And that forecast was accurate. As Bennu continued on that near collision course and the outer atmosphere was encountered, a powerful distortion of the atmosphere occurred, and the planetary features beneath buckled in a shock wave effect as the force of it moved everything in front of it. This was what happened in northern Eurasia as Bennu slapped Earth's atmosphere very hard. There weren't many people in the encounter area, but the many thousands of square miles affected had a few small towns and large farms. All of them were destroyed in just a couple of hours in an area the size of most of North America. The atmospheric intrusion had occurred as a glancing blow. The Earth was actually bruised. The vast area was impacted to such an extent that the force lowered surface elevations by hundreds or even thousands of feet in different areas of the encounter. Nothing that was alive there remained alive. Forests and towns, large bodies of water, were all devastated. Everything was smashed and displaced by Bennu in the passing of the asteroid. It was much, much too close. A vast region left barren and smashed. Still, significantly better than the alternative. Thus began the time of the most monumental changes to modern planetary life ever known. As it was ascertained by the many survivors, human and composite, in the first weeks after the Bennu event, the energy of the near miss was immense, and there were huge disturbances of atmospheric and geological systems. The atmosphere had air movements never seen before that magnified cyclonic forms of hurricanes and tornadoes throughout the northern hemisphere. Quite surprisingly, the opposite also occurred with some storm systems already occurring. Hurricanes and other storm types already in action were snuffed out by the propagating waves of atmospheric force across the full northern hemisphere. The southern hemispheres saw almost no effects at first, other than the peripheral regions of the equatorial worldwide. Significant other types of disturbances wreaked havoc in many of those places, primarily earthquakes from the initial